Throughout the long river of human civilization, there has always been a hidden and profound wound. It stretches across millennia, silent yet burning, like a searing flame slowly smoldering in the veins of our shared destiny. No matter how many lands we conquer, no matter how much glory we forge, this wound lies dormant in the bloodline of civilization, a long unhealed crack that whispers. Beneath all prosperity, the undercurrents still churn. Perhaps you too have asked yourself in the stillness of night, why does this world, so dazzling on the surface, often leave us anxious and hollow within? Why, even after exhausting ourselves completely, do we still struggle to find true inner peace? Why do our families and societies, though outwardly connected, feel so estranged within? Is pain truly destined to be part of the human condition? Are we condemned to wander in the endless night, chasing faint glimmers of light? In this long, dim confusion, for the first time in history, a dawn is quietly emerging. It has a name, World Oneness Theory. This is not just a book. It is the first light of daybreak in a millennium of chaos, illuminating our vision, revealing this truth. Humanity need not be doomed to forever wander in darkness. It is a silent revolution of wisdom, rising at the turning point of civilization, unfolding its majestic curtain, inviting you and me to step into a new era together. Since the dawn of culture, we have crossed countless epochs woven with light and shadow. We built cities, reached for the stars, created legends, wrote mythologies. Yet we have never escaped the looming shadows of war, division, and despair. For thousands of years, generations have sought lasting peace and wholeness. We gaze at the stars, hoping to discover the meaning of life. We look within, only to get lost in endless anxiety and self-doubt. That ageless question echoes still. Why does pain always follow us? Is there truly no way out of this endless cycle? But now, the dawn is breaking. A groundbreaking philosophy of happiness and wisdom is rising, not only unveiling the root of our crisis, but offering the power to heal this civilizational wound once and for all, allowing humanity to truly return to oneness. This is no empty promise nor a distant dream, but a real unfolding opportunity before our eyes. Like the first light of dawn piercing the heavy night, it touches every soul longing for morning. The dawn of awakened civilization is slowly rising on the horizon. A revolution is surging, not one of steel and conquest, but of warmth, wisdom, and awakening. It will reweave the shattered bonds of humanity, illuminate the darkest corners of our spirit, and help us, the estranged and isolated, feel connected once again. With this awakening, the wounds accumulated through the ages will finally begin to heal through a complete transformation. That future is not far away. It is already arriving step by step. You will feel it yourself, whether it's the lingering anxiety deep within or the quiet disappointment and confusion toward your family, society, or the world. All of it can be transmuted into the dawn of hope through this great awakening of civilization, reigniting your courage and longing to embrace life. We are standing at the threshold of history and the future. The old thought patterns that divided and disoriented us are collapsing. In their place arises a deep and clear realization. We are not isolated islands, but voyagers on the same stormy sea. Our destinies are never truly separate. They are intertwined intimately and inseparably. The boundaries of civilization have blurred. The walls between science and religion are beginning to dissolve. The world has always been one. A single wound can shake the fate of all, and once healed, the entire world resonates, transforms, and is born anew. This is the profound insight of World Oneness Theory, a revelation of humanity's shared destiny. It foretells a great turning in history and unlocks the gateway to a new chapter of human civilization. World Oneness Theory is not just an idea. It is a beacon of wisdom guiding humanity forward. a blueprint for reshaping the world upon the foundation of awakening and symbiosis. It is a light that leads us out of ignorance and conflict into the dawn of a consciously awakened civilization. This revolution of wisdom has already begun. Its ripple will reach every life, connect every soul. As this insight spreads from personal struggles to family tensions to national conflict, even to the fate of our shared planet, all will feel its deep and lasting change. This moment, history is calling you. You are being invited to become a part of this great awakening, to witness and co-create the healing of humanity's deepest wound. Together, as the light of a new era breaks through, we will transcend all the divisions that once separated us. And finally, we will return to oneness. To begin this journey of awakening, please check the pinned link in the comments to purchase World Oneness Theory and join this revolution of wisdom.